The Music Studio is ready to welcome you for in-person instruction this fall. To provide a safe learning environment, there will be additional health protocols in place. When students arrive at the Music Studio, each student will be met by their teacher at their designated entrance. Teachers and students are screened for symptoms when they arrive. Everyone is required to wear a mask and use hand sanitizer when entering the Music Studio. Teachers will then walk their students to their lesson room, and students will take any belongings with them. Physical distancing of at least 2 meters will be maintained, and a Mylar screen will be placed between teachers and students in all lesson rooms. At the end of each lesson, students are accompanied by their teacher to their designated front door exit, where they are met by the student's parent. Following each lesson, all equipment, including piano keys, will be thoroughly disinfected. The layout of our teaching rooms will be a little different, but you will receive the same high-quality learning experience provided by the same friendly and professional teachers at the Music Studio. See you in September.